In this video, you'll learn how to choose motion effects in Higgsfield AI. By following these steps, you'll be able to enhance your video projects with various dynamic effects tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the section labeled AI Video Generator and Image Generator. This area will provide you with access to the tools needed for video creation. Next, find and click on the button that says Create Video. This action will take you to the video creation interface, where you can begin selecting different motion effects. After that, locate the option labeled Change. Clicking on this will open a new menu, allowing you to select various settings for your video project. You should now see a new set of options available for customization. Once this appears, click on Choose an AI model. This step is crucial as it allows you to select the specific model you want to use for your motion effects. A list of available models will become visible for your selection. Next, click on All to display a comprehensive list of different motion effects. This page will showcase various styles and effects available, enabling you to browse through the options easily. Afterward, you can explore the new section to see the latest motion effects added to the library. This is a great way to keep your projects fresh with current trends. Following that, select the trending option to view the most popular motion effects currently being used. This could help in choosing effects that resonate well with audiences. Continue by clicking on effects. This will provide you with a detailed list of motion effects, allowing you to see descriptions and visuals of each effect available. Next, click on Basic Camera Control. This option will give you access to fundamental camera motion settings, essential for creating dynamic video scenes. Then proceed to click on Epic Camera Control. This selection will expand your camera control options, giving you advanced features for more complex motion effects. After this, select Catch the Pulse to apply a specific motion effect that synchronizes with audio cues in your video. This can create a more engaging viewing experience. Next, click on Mix to combine different effects together, allowing for a unique motion style tailored to your video's theme. Following that, choose Turning Metalax for a distinctive motion effect that adds a metallic twist to your visuals. This effect can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your project. Next, click on Upload Image or Generate It. This action allows you to incorporate personal images into your video, giving you creative flexibility. After uploading, click on I agree, continue. This confirmation will enable you to proceed with your video creation process, ensuring you accept the terms of service. Then type in a scene you want to create. This input will guide the AI in generating content that meets your specific vision. Next, click on Enhance On to enable additional features that can improve the overall quality of your video. This step is important for ensuring that your final product looks polished. After that, choose the AI model you want to generate. Selecting the right model is essential to achieving the desired look and feel for your video. Finally, click on Generate. This action will initiate the video creation process where the system will compile your selected effects and scenes into a cohesive video. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.